Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. Okay, dito tayo. Discover the principle involved in the given series and determine the next element. We have F21, H19, K16, O12, and then T7. Is it A, A26, B, Z1, C, X3, and D, B25? So kagaya po nung previous video, it's a combination of a letter and a number series. And actually here, just by looking one of the other, you can now automatically choose the correct answer. Kasi nga po yung options natin, A26, Z1, X3, B25 have different letters and numbers. Once you're sure on the principle of either the letter and the number, you can now automatically design the next element and no need to look for the other para makakuha ng sagot. But let's do it both ways here for more information na makakapture ng video na ito. Let's start with letter. Kapag letter po, ibig sabihin, let's look into the alphabetical order or the reverse order and look into the number of skippings if there are any. So we have F to H, it actually skips letter G. So it skips one letter in the usual alphabetical order. Now, if we're going to move from H to K, it also skips letter. But more importantly, letters. It's I and J. We can now see that there is no exact number of letters that are being skipped. But you have 1 and 2. Let's find out yung pangatlo if meron tayong makikitang pattern. So you have here K, L, M, and N. 3 letters is being skipped. And if we're going to go back to the previous skippings, you have 1, 2, and 3. So basically, it increases in order. If we're going to follow that, it should follow here that from O to T, may 4 letters po tayo. Let's check. P, Q, R, and S. And tama yung ating hinala. So with this alone, as mentioned earlier, you don't need to look at the numbers. Simply go to our next option here. As we need to skip 5 letters, we have T, U, V, W, X, and then Y. So with all of these letters being skipped, we know that the letter for our next element should start with Z. And there's only one option po dito that starts with Z. Automatically, that's your answer. So makakatipid tayo sa oras. Okay? Of course, if may ibang Z dito, pupunta tayo sa pangalawang component ng ating element, which is the number. So let's try to use that kahit na alam natin yung sagot dito. Just to also look into whether 1 as to Z1 is actually the number of the fifth element. From 21 to 19, we subtracted actually by 2. So pag letters, number of letters skipped. Pag numbers, commonly, meron tayong difference. If walang difference, the factors if there are any. From 19 to 16, we have minus 3. As mentioned, wala po tayong common difference. But let's see if the difference has a pattern. 16 to 12 is minus 4. Tama? And then we have here, 12 to 7 is minus 5. Walang common difference, but your differences has a pattern of second level minus 1. So with this in mind, we are expecting to have minus 6 here for the difference of our fifth to the next element. So 7 minus 6, that's correct, 1. So pag may ibang option dito, let's say it is Z3, so i-check natin yung number natin. Pero kagaya ng kanina, kasi nga all of these are already the given options. So this is already removed. Not possible. Not possible. Just for the letter itself. And we are now sure that Z1, letter B, is our correct answer. So once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!